that I had to heal. I mean, I healed ukudlulela mama emhlabeni. That's why I can chill with you now and say, listen, you can do this. You can do this. It's unfortunately unfortunate, but this is the way it was made to be. Abazali bethu basilethile, and then we're going to continue the legacy. Just imagine if umama mbeke fihle mina. Ngiyumntwana akhe ngiwa.
Wow. Bizombulala.
See now, so some other things, if they do happen the way they did happen, it's unfortunate to change kanjalo, but I'm the man I am today because of that.
Earlier you mentioned that kuno music omningi ungazange ukhiphe it because of some things ezenzekile. But now, you know, my I don't know whether to call my curiosity is that how you were before, it was maybe there was a bit of uncensored as well.
Yeah.
And now you are a different person spiritually or balamagama uyazi ukuthi into ufuna ukuhloniphile. How are you going to match that?
Okay. Now it's all about being me and saying, was I born to do this or was I not? If I was born to do this, there's always going to be a way.
What are you going to do with your music that we still want to listen to, that you've been working on all these years?
Man, that's another story for another day. That's a story for another day. But it depends on if people are willing to say they want to listen to it, I'll put it out. But, you know, they must understand it as a different man now.
Yeah.
It's no longer the young guy who try to say, I'll take a check.
Like, because ngiyazi ukuthi umculo uwenzile for iminyaka usahleli laphayana. As you said, ukuthi kunama project, there were videos that funeka niwenze. And then now you are this person who ubona ngelinye iliso, which I know that maybe from now onwards, that's what you're going to be.
It's going to be very different.
Yes.
And now, yeah.
Umsebenzi wakho mngaka.
It's one of those things that you say, maybe, you know, just let God umdali. Mfihlo Zulu. I'll get guidance.
I love that.
Yeah, I'll get guidance on how am I going to put it out. If I'm going to put it out, if it's supposed to be put out, I'll put it out. And if I'm not supposed to put it out, I won't put it out. I'll do something different. But, you know, at the time as well, you know, I was just rapping. It's a rap.
Yeah.
So I'm not guiding you. I'm not teaching you anything.
I love that.
I'm just making you feel like he's creative with words and some other things that could lead you astray.
Okay.
He's just a rapper. Yeah, he's talking about stuff that he's not supposed to, but he's doing
I keep on referring to Gus Java because of you giving me this Gus Java. Gus Java, umuntu ohloniphekile osazi isintu, umuntu very spiritual inclined, kodwa unengoma etishishiliza ngalo.
In fact, you must understand that when it comes to creativity, really, if you try and box creativity, it's not as creative. Just imagine if a comedian would try and evaluate because you know how you deliver them, and okay, unfortunately it's snacks, but it's funny. It's funny, you know what I'm trying to say. So that's when you're gifted and cursed.
Gifted and cursed. We are sure no J. Code, there's beauty in struggle and ugliness and success.
See what I'm trying to say? So that's one of those kind of type of things where you like, you know, we'll see what happens with time. But now, seeing that you called me all of a sudden, not knowing what's going on, I was like, what's popping, man?
Come on, man, come back. Come back.
And then all of a sudden,
yes, please.
Like,
come, man. Come on, we need that. You know,
like,
I'm selfish like that because of you guys. You taking me there, like, ningikhumbuza lapho ngisuka khona yikho sihleli lana. I'm documenting izinto engazi ukuthi mina eKasilambe bezisenzani. Come back.
I'm like, like, how did she get my numbers? I'm like, I'm from the buza my question.
Come back, man.
Yeah.
You know you are a special somebody.
No, man. They're seeing that now. There's quite a movement with that. Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's do it, man. And where was Click then? Where is he now? And where is he going?
Yo, listen. Click has always been Click. But Click didn't have any spiritual experiences at the time. He was young. Now Click is matured with spiritual experiences. And he's grown in a sense that he can tackle anything coming his way. He's a strategic man. He does things because now he sees he has to do it. I'm not the type of dude who's gonna come to you because you got a nice body.
Yeah.
I don't care what to fucking makeup banjan.
Yeah.
When I feel the urge, you must know that it's a calculated move. I just don't move.
You don't just move. You calculate your moves.
Everything that I do is calculated. If I miscalculated, we're gonna have to sort it out. To sort it out.
Why you click Vel? Why the name?
Okay, when I was younger doing music, I'm a person who doesn't write down, right?
Yeah.
So every time a beat goes kapum, something just goes
clicks.
So
okay.
So something just goes.
It clicks.
Yeah, all of a sudden there's a beat that comes through, and I feel like now I'm about to rob a bank. Something clicks.
I hear you.
Now I'm about to rob a bank, or comes a beat that says, okay, now I'm gonna have to fall in love.
On top of your head right now, if you were to look back, click like what would you want to apologize to? Click just one thing on top of your head right now.
To apologize for the mistakes I made. Maybe I'd say I wouldn't want to apologize to Click, ma'am. I wouldn't want to apologize to Click because if he didn't move or he didn't make these mistakes, he wouldn't be the man he is today. Those mistakes made Click. and whatever I did wrong at the time, it was supposed to, for the mere fact that I'm still alive, to tell the story about it, which means there was a lesson to be learned. I found out that in life, in order for you to grow, the mistakes, the hardships, the pressure, that makes you who you is. And Click, I'm not apologizing anything to you, buddy.
Yeah.
You just had to move that way in order for you to be who you is, and going forward with time, you just had to. Click, you just had to make those mistakes. You had to fall. Click, you saw to banana, you bonile kutizo nyathelo zowa, you stepped in wapuga. Click, but ufagile krebs polila ngish. Click, come on, let's go.
I love that.
Yeah, so I wouldn't want to apologize anything to Click. Click made his mistakes. He did one those kind of type of things where in life, some way, somehow, everybody went through, or maybe some things are harsher for other people, but I don't need the harshness. It was for that person. This was hard and harsh for me.
Yeah.
I don't wish it to on anybody else. And everybody, life has his own purpose and his own way of doing things. And any mistakes that you make, they make you a better person. You know what's the problem?
Yeah.
Not learning from those mistakes.
Asfundi.
Ewe.
Once bitten, twice shy.
Ewe.